right, in this video we are going to make, what are we making, Nate? Ice cream. So we got here about 1 cup and a half of fresh organic strawberries. And right here, let's see, it's about a cup. Yep, well, that much of heavy cream. And we're gonna add some honey. And some nice organic honey. Touch. You do not want to over sweeten this stuff. Also going to add a touch of almond extract. So we're gonna add a little bit more honey, because it's not that sweet. I do not like to add sugar. Honey is better. I was gonna add some tiny bit of food colorant for Lathe to make it pinkier, but I won't. It's perfect. And now we're going to the next step. This is the next step, ladies and gentlemen. I just took it out of the freezer. It was in the freezer I only needed it for a day, but I had it for a few days. This is my ice cream maker. I've had this ice cream maker for 10 years. You could, if you didn't have an ice cream maker, you could make it in this blender with heavy cream and some ice. Here's my ice cream taster. More. Come on, a little more. Put this in. Lock that in.
Is that what it's doing to the ice cream?
This little jelly container was in the freezer for a while. So anything you put in there, it's going to freeze. It's going to turn it into ice cream.
How does it turn into the ice cream?
Like this, look. This is the end result. Ice cream. Homemade organic ice cream. Nothing added to it. Well, this was a very quick and short video about how to make ice cream. You could, like I said, you could make it in the blender and put ice, etc. Or you could just do what I did. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make some ice cream.
Good luck.